Good afternoon everyone present here. My name is Manisha Dwivedi.
My name is Prashant Maurya.
And today we are here before you to give a presentation on a major project. The title of our project is Blockchain Enabled KYC Solution. So now let us first understand what exactly KYC means. KYC stands for Know Your Client or Know Your Customer. As all of us know that whenever we go to any organization for the registration, so the first thing we do there is the KYC verification. That is in which we have to submit your Aadhaar card, PAN card and so on various documents. Now this is quite a time-taking process. Along with this, it's little complex and there are various security threats to this. So we have come across this alternative method where we'll be using blockchain technology to do that KYC verification. Now, here we can see these are the few advantages of using the blockchain technology. It provides data integrity, it reduces manual labor, it is less complex, it makes the process less complex. Now moving towards the objective of our project. Now, since we are using the blockchain technology, so directly uploading your documents on the blockchain technology is also quite expensive. So for that we are using an alternative method of IPFS network, that is interplanetary file system, in which all the nodes will be connected and data could be shared between the nodes. Now talking about the problem statement, as I told you earlier that know your customer verification is an important process which takes quite time and there are various security threats to it. So we are coming up with this technology. Now the proposed approach will be explained by my team member Prashant Kumar.
So the proposed approach is like this. For example, I am the customer. I have want to open a bank account in any bank for the first time. So for the first time, I have to submit all the KYC documents like PAN card, Aadhaar card. But when I want to open the bank account next time or any other bank, I don't have to submit any KYC documents. I just have to give the hash value and the decryption key, so that the bank we can get the KYC documents in the IPFS network.
तो कॉम्प्लेक्स कैसे नहीं हुआ फिर? आप बोल रहे हैं लेस कॉम्प्लेक्स करेंगे सिस्टम कैसे? मेथड
like in present system, it takes approx 1 to 2 days.
वो तो बैंक वालों को लग रहा है ना, आपने कैसे लेस कॉम्प्लेक्स किया? तो मेथड बताइए जो ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट था.
Actually, there is a process of CKYC, central KYC, in which once you have to do the KYC and it is already stored, and you have to just give the number of the CKYC and the bank can access directly.
But the result for which we are studying,
how is it different from that?
Much more secure than that.
yes, because we are in blockchain. Since we know that in blockchain that it is the chain of block. So each block consists of data, the hash value of that block and the hash value of the previous block. So if any hash value will be changed, the chain will automatically get to know that there is something like a thread.
कोई एग्जांपल है? कोई एग्जांपल है इसका? कहीं की इम्प्लीमेंटेशन है, कहीं कुछ?
Process flow diagram is there.
Yes. This is the basic
process flow diagram.
Process flow diagram.
Directly from that.
Not added.
We have not added the process flow diagram.
There is no diagram.
But in progress report we have.
नहीं बेटा, हैश कह रहे हो आप लोग, ये कह रहे हो, पर कोई ना कोई तो मेथड लगाओगे, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ तो दिखाओगे.
I think in PPT you need to show it. In PPT you must show the diagrams. All the diagrams must be there.
And just show what are the current method by which CKYC is being registered and how your proposed system is
Is there a report in the software?
superseding.
No, sir, it's not my laptop. It's someone else's laptop, but not. But actually, we are using IPFS network. So in IPFS network, the thing is that all the banks are connected in IPFS network. So whatever data is being transferred from bank B or from bank A to bank C, the third party will never get to know. So that's why.
तो वो आपको भी नहीं देंगे, वो आपको भी नहीं पता चलेगा.
No, sir. The customer will have the private key now, which will be provided to the customer by the first bank where he has to verify all the documents.
तो
You have the hash value and the decryption key. So
That will be with the
these are
customer. So
working
whenever
the B or C bank, we don't have to submit the document. We just have to give the hash value and the decryption key. The bank will automatically get the KYC document.
जो आपने लिखा है ना methodology.
Yes, sir.
वही
Methodology. This is not the methodology of the project.
This is the introduction.
ये इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट है.
Introduction of blockchain.
No, sir, we have explained a few
see what is written here in your slide.
This
What
is
you have
about the blockchain. Like what the logic
What is
is.
what
Methodology
is it
नहीं।
required here?
It is not required, but we have.
Terms.
You need to write your own methodology.
We have
Right.
Only what we not for the about the blockchain. Don't write for each blockchain. You need to show your.
You could have shown here the block diagram.
बेटा कहीं आपके पास कहीं आपने कोई पेपर कहीं देखा होगा जब भी एक इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में गए होगे तो कुछ देखा होगा
Yes, sir.
क्या मिला उधर आपको
Sir, actually, the research firm we have studied that we are using Django in the backend framework. So we have studied this research paper. They have also used the same blockchain technology for KYC, but they haven't used the Django framework.
and when we have
तो
used.
ये बोलिए कि आप इस पर्टिकुलर जैन बॉक्स यूज़ कर रहे हो ये आप मेथड बताइए कि हम इसको एग्जिस्टिंग में ये हुआ था हम ये कर रहे हैं आप तो यहाँ ब्लॉकचेन की डेफिनेशन बता रहे हो सिक्योरिटी बता रहे हो वो कहाँ है वो तो है नहीं यहाँ पर कहीं
Report का ऐलान करो।
एक्चुअली में थ्योरी